Oh, hello. I'm back with my e12 today. It's been many months since I bought it. More time than I thought, but I finally got the pink slip in the mail, so I'm excited to work on this thing. Today I'm gonna pull some trim. My detailer's gonna go through it, cut and polish, and see what this old green turd's gonna come out. But I'm very optimistic that it's gonna come out really nice. So with this paint, the only panel that's burnt through that I don't have any hope for, obviously, is this hood. And there's a top strip on the door that it's not gonna come back to life. But I'm hoping everything else will be so good that I can either leave this, because it kind of has a good patina look, or I can reshoot it to match it pretty close. So today is kind of the day we know what direction we'll take this car, which excites me and it terrifies me. I expect it to be good enough to where we won't have to repaint the whole car. But if I have to repaint the whole car, then that's gonna be another big old hassle, a lot of time and money. There's a very large spider right there. Sizable black widow. I'm gonna kind of leave him alone for now. I don't know what else to do. Well, I either killed them or scared them away, and they're gonna be mad and they're gonna bite me later. Hey, there it is. Terrible US bumpers. Yes. So you can kind of see how distracting those US bumpers are. The car's almost made to not even have a bumper. The Euro ones are just kind of a thin piece of metal that hides all this stuff. So I couldn't tell you how excited I am to get those on. But you can see the green paint underneath, how nice it is, and how the stuff that was exposed, it matches it once you kind of rub off that top layer. So I'm getting more excited that it's gonna look really good once it's detailed. I don't think I'll have to respray this thing. So I'm gonna keep pulling stuff. Cool. I think most of these, I have one piece of these that is in bad shape. And I bought a parts car of this, and it has the one piece that I need. So it's worth it to buy a whole car for one piece. That too. I don't know what this was. Oh, great, it's rubbed through. No, it's just dirt. We're okay. So I bought this car after I bought that car just as a parts car, just because I saw it. It had a transmission that's valuable, so I thought it'd be worth admission. I don't really need much, but I figure there's always like little, oh, there's a rabbit in there. I like to have a parts car just because there's little things that you always want. Even though that car has everything and this car doesn't really have much, it'll be nice to have, I think. It's good for reference points and stuff, so I got it for cheap. It's even uglier than that other one. So it's pretty much the worst parts car I've ever had as far as grossness, but it's here and exists, and it has a little piece of trim that I need on that car, so it was all worth it. Even if I paid $1,000 for a parts car, I get one little piece of trim. So it's here. So this is something I don't know what to do with. This car was originally an automatic. Back in the 80s, the original owner changed it to 5-speed, but he kept this because he liked the way it looked. That makes me not sure what to do with it. I guess it's there, I like the way it looks. There's little holes, so if I took it away, I would have holes. It's not an automatic, it does look cool, so I don't know, I think I'll keep it. What do you think? So I got these from eBay. I have every E30 part known to man, but when it comes to these things, I don't have that many of. So my good friend, let's see, Timothy sent these to me. I haven't opened the box because I've been scared to open the box. because until I open the box, I can assume that they're in good shape. As soon as I open the box, I might be mad at Timothy, but for now, Timothy's the man. Well, they definitely weren't hosed off before shipping, but I don't really care about that. They don't look rusty, that's a good thing. So they're definitely very straight, they don't have any rust. It's not as shiny as I would have liked, but I think he'd probably disclose that in the listing. I'm not mad at anything, everything looks very straight. So it's one of those things where if this car gets resprayed, I'll probably have to do a lot of work on these to make them look brand new. But if it's gonna kind of be a little bit of a patina car, then bumpers like this will be perfect. So it's a good starting point. Now I have a set. I'm medium hopeful that we'll get this paint looking good. Good enough to respray maybe the hood to match how good the sides are, but we'll see. If I can't respray this to match old paint, so it's either the whole car or probably more patina than I thought I was gonna get. But we'll keep working with it and see. Yeah, it looks perfect, man. So I can easily blend new paint to something this nice.
Oh yeah, you can get something cool.
So the car got detailed finally. It looks awesome. I couldn't be more excited about this paint. What do you guys think? Obviously this is not gonna come back to life. The hood's not coming back to life. I don't know if to keep it or paint it. It's honest, it's original. It's got the patina, but at the same time, it's kind of faded paint. Doesn't look great. So my question now is, what do I do with the paint? Do I respray it and match it? Or do I just leave it and it's the honest version of the car? So your thoughts on that would be awesome. Right now I'm just trying to finish it, get all this trim back on before I lose it or step on it again. This is another thing I don't quite know what to do with. I think it's kind of cool that it has nothing left on it, but it's the original one. But at the same time, it's just an old badge, and new ones would look pretty too. So what do you guys think? Old, or should I get new ones? Or I could probably get these repainted. Maybe that's the move. I don't know, I like that there's nothing left on it. Metal emblems. You don't get that anymore. I love stuff like that. That's why I like these old cars. So as you see, I still have this bumper on, these taillights in. I really want to cut and polish around them, but I don't have a key to get behind those things and take them out. So I need to get my key. I just haven't gone to the dealership yet, which I'm not even sure they can get me a key, but I'm sure gonna try. So I don't want to drill that, because I have to change all the locks. 5:30 again.
What's up, Dustin?
It's pretty good, Mono. Okay, Mono, what we're gonna do, we gotta figure out what motor to put in this car, right? So what are our options? So option A, we fire this motor up with Motronic with the, later system.
Waste of time.
Option 2, we put in just a B35, drop it in, call it a day. Option...
Nothing exciting.
Nothing exciting, but the car is an exciting car. So if you see it on the road, that's exciting, but it's still not exciting. So what's the other options?
Euro B38.
Euro B38.
Or V12.
Or V12.
Old school V12.
So this car is becoming more of a shop modified build versus a Dustin build. right? Is that kind of what's happening?
Well, it's Dustin and Mono fight is
You just
pretty
get-
much the same thing.
You
but-
get me into trouble, and now you want to make me put in an S38.
Or why not a V12? I mean, we get rid of this booster, right?
Yeah?
Who's done a V12 in these cars?
No, that hasn't happened. The cool thing about the S38 is this is like,
It'd be like period kind of correct.
kind of, because this block is kind of an S38 block.
Yeah.
What do you think about the patina? Think it's too far gone on the hood and door?
You know what I think? Once it's on the ground and it's got the motor, it's running. Then we'll think about patina. The way it is right now, it's fine.
Okay.
Man, it really came to life, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. So we get the Euro bumpers, get them re-chromed,
Put those on.
put them on.
Work on the suspension, motor.
And all these are easy to get.
What about the dash?
Dash is hard to get. That's the only piece of the puzzle that's gonna be hard. But,
Get a good upholstery guy that could just
Right.
wrap it with leather.
right. Thanks, Mono.
All right.